The basic usage of SharePoint document libraries is, of course, to simply store files. You can do other things on them as well, which are not really possible directly on file servers. For instance, you can start creating a new document directly from within the library you wish to store it in. By clicking the New Document button on the ribbon of a library, and as long as you have a compatible MS Office edition, a new Word document will open up and you can start entering your content in. Saving the document will prompt you for a file name as usual. However, instead of saving it locally on your My Documents folder, the document will be filed into the document library you choose. Do note that a document library has a simple blank Word document as its default, but you can change this to any template of your choice. We will cover this later in this lesson. You can also upload files from your local computer, share, or file server into the library. This can be done singularly or in groups. If you are using a modern browser like Internet Explorer 1 or 11, or the latest version of Chrome or Firefox, you can simply drag and drop single or multiple files into the browser when in the library. The browser will upload those files into the library automatically. You can also upload files using the Upload button on the ribbon. This opens a web dialog where you can choose a single file to upload. This dialog also contains a link that opens the document library in Windows Explorer so that you can drag and drop files into it, as in the case of a file share. The method you use to upload files is completely up to your convenience. Once files are available in a document library, you can choose to share them. By default, any members of the site will have access through inheritance. You can change this in multiple ways. The first is to break the inheritance at the library level and assign permissions. Or you can use the context menu on a file to invite other users to view or edit the file as well. Finally, you can also view the file or edit it by simply clicking on it. Depending upon how the library is configured, real-time collaborative co-authoring may be allowed. We'll discuss co-authoring in detail a little later in this lesson.